you like liver, but. I know where all these came from, so that's not going to get mixed up.
You're going to remember, like, when you look at these cars?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And it's all on video.
Yeah.
So it can't be lost.
Alright, says, hello, my diecast homie. Hope all is well. Here's a couple things I wanted to send to show you my support for your channel and what you bring to this amazing diecast family. Hope you enjoy. The card is in bad shape on the black Ferrari 355, but I knew you would like it, so it's yours. The candle is all natural soy wax and is hand poured by yours truly. The bar of soap is handcrafted using premium all natural ingredients. It is homemade and hand cut by me as well. Enjoy. Sincerely, Brandon, Liver Diecast.
So he gave me the black Ferrari, and I gave it to you because I knew it was going to end up in your hands anyway.
I mean...
So this is the card. This is a mainline. Okay.
Cool.
And that is a custom that he resealed on the card. He took it apart with whatever he took apart. You got another note there. Okay,
note?
so you read the note that he sent me. I didn't even know there was another note. Yep.
Wait. So it says, Dear Amanda, happy birthday to you from Liver Diecast. I hope this one-off custom is in same way makes your special day a little bit better. Enjoy your birthday and have a blast. Sincerely, Brandon, Liver Diecast. And it's got a Hot Wheels sticker on it.
Thank you so much, Brandon.
I'm so overwhelmed.
I know you are. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No,
There's so
don't
much
be
more
sorry.
too. So, thank you so much, Brandon, for sending this out. I know the amount of work that goes in into these cars.
I almost said a bad word.
It's fine. That's fine. We're 95% family friendly here. And he did treasure hunt. It's got the treasure hunt. It's got the treasure hunt thing on the front. Ferrari decals. The interior detailing.
It says Hot Wheels over there. And the whole motor.
With real riders on it. It's the rubber wheels. And then he sent whenever you.
Oh. This is like a special. Thank you. 2003 Enzo Ferrari.
That's the same one you stole from me.
I don't have to steal from you. You give them to me.
I know. I'm just joking.
So he has a website for this stuff.
Yeah, him and his
we
wife
just talked
make
about this, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go on there.
Candles. Dirty Murray is the name of it. So, is there a website? I don't know if there's a website, but there's a phone number.
I just put the phone number on.
That's fine. He's selling these things. Yeah. So give Brandon a call. I'm pretty sure it's fine. I'll reach out and make sure that it's fine. But if you guys want some handmade soap and candles, soy. Oh, that's awesome. That smells great.
Salty Sailor, it's called.
Olive oil, coconut oil, organic turmeric powder, and ground oats. All natural soap bar. Organic soaps.
That's pretty cool.
Give Brandon a call over at Liver Diecast at Dirty Murray soy candle and organic soap creator. And I'm assuming that phone number is legit to go. So it's 573-268-5744. Get you some Dirty Murray. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, you know, he's got a legit business here, so give him a shout. I'm sure he'll ship it out. Give him a shout, he'll ship it out. So that's the first round of the Free the Ferraris. Guys, I'm going to cut it off here and go to round 2. There's still about a lot of boxes left. But actually, you know what? We got one more cardboard box. Let's get this done. And then all the others are repacks. So this is from SRS Diecast. Steve and his family over at SRS Diecast sent this out. He sent me a care package. So I took out my stuff and then I put your stuff back in.
Okay.
Okay. This box came from California.
So I would come home from work and he'd be sitting at the little kitchen bar talking to me, catching up with the face like the cat that ate the canary.
Guess how many packages you got today? It's fun. That's a custom. And these are mainlines.
Cool.
From Steve at SRS Diecast and his family. His family actually shipped it out because he was at work.
Thank you, family. It's an F50 and he resealed it. That's awesome. So these guys take like nail polish remover or something like that, alcohol, and it's like a 20, 30-minute process that you have to... Oh, it's open. It is open. Oh, wait.
Maybe the glue came off. Yeah, the glue came off.
Okay, I don't want to rip it.
Okay, we'll fix it.
That's so pretty. It's one of my favorite colors.
You can speak up. She loves it. She loves it, Steve. That is an awesome car.
Yeah.
That looks like Spectra Flame too. That looks like Spectra Flame paint. Is it in focus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You're better at this than I am.
No, that's fine. It's fine. You don't have to be the best at showing cars. You have to be the best at receiving cars.
I'm not even the best at receiving them.
On your birthday, you are.
Thank you, everyone. Well, part 1.
Part 1. Thank you, everyone, for part 1. So make sure you go check out Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers, SRS Diecast, Hewitt's Hot Wheels, Flying Valiant, Mike's Mods and Customs, Devil's Detail Diecast, Liver Diecast, and Steve at SRS has a channel, but he hasn't posted any videos yet. But that doesn't mean you can't go find him and sub to him. He's in my comment section. Go and click on his name, sub to the man. This way, when he decides to make some videos, you got the bell lit and you'll see it pop up. We're going to go to round 2. You got anything else to say besides thank you?
Catch you on the next one.
That's right.
Peace.
Peace.